Myntri ke Tnat ki kam Jngoh kai Pyrthei ke Jylla Meghalaya ubak polling do. Ula penpau ya kato kat ni teli ki program ki bakongsan da ka jing temu ban kentiu ki kam Jngoh kai Pyrthei ban kring ru ki nong wan Jngoh kai Pyrthei syakani ke Jylla. Ke Tnat kala penkriak kato kat ni teli ki program ki bahe ki ban sawan ban ya shimenta ki riu pau nam ke Pyrthei. Kentup ru Alan Walker hau benai nai lur bat Brian Adams ha ka shpau terik uno pra. Shushu ru Myntri ke Tnat Jngoh kai Pyrthei ula Pynbna ba ka sorkar Jylla kan sa pelong ya ka jingalang ba halor ki kam Jngoh kai Pyrthei ha ka khat sau tarik unailar ban yamir jingmut halor ki mat Bapher ki bakta ya kani ka Tnat kani ka jingshim khia jong ka sorkar balap benrap langru bat ki program ki bahe lakmi lenti bakan kring ya shibun ba ki nong wan Jngoh kai Pyrthei syakani ka Jylla.
The conclave is now scheduled for the 14th of August. It will be a day-long affair where I will be inaugurating the conclave in the morning. We will involve stakeholders across the entire spectrum of the tourism sector. As you are aware, major acts are on the anvil. The various tourism festivals will carry on as usual. Brian Adams will be here performing in December. Alan Walker will be here performing in September. And already, just a while back, I got information that for the Brian Adams show itself, as many as 10,000 tickets have already been sold.